Hello folks, Gino here with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas with a 2009 Honda DN01 that I want to show you. This is a really unique looking motorcycle. 680cc liquid cooled V-twin, dual front disc brakes. It's got an anti-lock combined braking system so that whenever you press on the brakes, the front and rear wheel engage at the same time. Got rider floorboards, really streamlined, space age looking body on this bike. See the radiator under there. Got a good tire on the front. It's like just a little tiny rub right there on it. Doesn't look like it's ever seen any abuse. In really nice shape. It's a shaft drive bike. Monoshock design. Excellent tire on the rear. It's a single-sided swing arm, so it makes it easy to change the tire. You'll notice this bike doesn't have a clutch. It's got the continuous variable transmission. You just give it gas and it goes. Over here you got drive and neutral. And here you got two different modes. The drive and sport, I think is what that's called, but it changes the two modes of shifting there. This bike's only got 3,970 miles. Digital fuel injection. I'll have to pull that brake to start it. It fires right up. It's nice and quiet. It's quite a cruiser. And a real sleek look to it. Mode switch over here. I'm thinking this mode switch changes it to a paddle shift 6-speed manual. So you can, as you're riding along, you can change the mode and then upshift and downshift. If you'd like to know more about it, call our sales team toll free at 888-400-1151. They can tell you all about it. We ran it through our shop and checked it out, so it's ready for the road. You can see our complete inventory online at cleanharleys.com. We take almost anything in on trade, and we sell and ship bikes all over the world, so it'd be easy to get this one to you. This is Gino with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. Thanks for looking.